not easy. Over here to the table.
Czekaj. Ale držisz to? To musím dvoma.
O, to držím.
Držíš?
Ideš na to.
Dobre.
That's good.
On the track.
Today we get this interesting rally build. We are going to do graphics for this bike. However, you can see many different fuel tanks and this rally tower in the front. We are sponsoring Rally Dakar, Red Bull KTM, Rockstar Husqvarna Factory Rally Team and Gas Rally Team. Also, many of you know about Stefan Svitko, our Slovak Dakar legend. Not every customer can afford these special rally replica bikes, so they are building that. For example, here you can see for rally they need bigger fuel tanks, which is here Acerbis 14-liter fuel tank. Also this front tower for navigation. This is Rade Garage kit from Czech company. And also here in the back you can see another fuel tank. Of course, every customer has to customize that to fit his bike. We have to prepare templates. So my colleague Andrei is already working on the templates.
Mám hovoriť aj hi guys? To už môžeš točiť. Hi Jaro, dobrú chuť. I got this order to be done here. So we had to do some special templates for this. It was EXC, and we had to turn this thing into the Dakar. So we had to add the templates for the fuel, like the extra fuel tanks, Acerbis fuel tank, and one custom made for a rear. And then the very last thing, turn the design into that new shape. And here are all the parts now, including the designs. Throw it to the production, and we'll see if I did it good. What you think? Tank section, as you can see, little cut in, so if the fuel's leaking, it's not gonna destroy your sticker. Otherwise, I don't know if you got experience, but it makes lots of big bubbles. So this is like that, and it's perfect to fit, because even if you make a bubble there, you can really push it easily through the little hole. I wish all of them were like that.
I thought it's because of the overheating of the fuel tank.
I'm not sure if it's overheating, but it's somehow going, like leaking through the whatever plastic, you know, fuel tank.
Another project completed. Everything looks fine, except that there were some very strong stickers on this front tower. We teared the stickers down from the front tower, but there was a very strong adhesive, so we have to clean it. Everything is good. This is how it looks in the final design. We will be back with another videos about Dakar, because it's this time of the year when we will build Stefan Svitko's bike and also many other rally teams. Keep watching, give us like, subscribe, and that's all. Bye bye.